Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajim Khan. In this video, I am going to talk about how a villager can learn English speaking. Nearly 30 years ago, it was very hard for students who lived in village to learn English speaking because uh, the students who lived in village didn't have Android mobile. If they wanted to learn English speaking, they had to join English center where English speaking was taught. So the owner of English center collected a lot of money from the students who wanted to learn English speaking. But nowadays it has become very easy to learn English speaking if anybody wants to learn English because students, whether he lives in village or city, has Android mobile. There are lots of teachers available on social media who teaches English uh, without taking any money. So if students who has mobile can learn English speaking very easily, but I think a student who wants to a student who wants to learn English speaking from social media, he should spend at least one day to find out a good teacher on social media. He should find out a teacher whose English he can understand very easily so that he can learn English very easily. There are lots of teachers available on social media who are not good at English. So the students should learn English from the teacher who is good at English so that he can learn a good English. If a student who lives in village will not have anyone with whom who can do practice of English speaking, so today I will tell him how he can do practice of English speaking without any partner. Every student has Android mobile, so when he wants to do practice of English speaking, switch on the video recording of your mobile and sit in front of the mobile, record your video while speaking English. After recording the video, uh, watch the video so that you can find out the mistakes that he makes while English speaking. In this way, he will be able to improve your mistake that he makes while speaking English. So I think this is the best way to do practice of English speaking. But the students who live in village didn't have Android mobile, used to do the practice of English speaking standing in front of the mirror. But I think that way of doing practice was not good. Uh, these days, today, every student has mobile, Android mobile, so he can do the practice of English speaking through your mobile. But I have seen many students who continue to but I have seen many students who continue to learn English speaking for 1 or 2 months. After 1 or 2 months, they give up learning English speaking. They loses their hope to learn English speaking. They think that they will not able to learn English speaking, but this is their big mistake. They should continue to learn English speaking at least 6 months. After 6 months, they will find a great change in themselves. They should have patience. Without having patience, it is impossible to be successful to achieve any goal that they fix. Every student should have patience to achieve their goal.